How to remove a password from your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can easily remove a password from your Windows 11 or Windows 10. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So to remove password on Windows 11 or Windows 10, first of all you have to click on this window icon and click on settings. And now click on accounts. And just scroll down and click on sign in options. And here you have to click on password. And click on change password, and here type your current password and click on next. And here you have to no need to write anything and click on next and click on finish. And you can see change password or up password option is removed, and we have successfully removed the password from Windows 11. So guys, in this way you can remove the password from your Windows 11 or Windows 10 in just few simple steps. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.